What's up, beautiful babes? It's Monday. Your girl back. Your girl back. Got her snap back. For real. I'm going to get me some time. Hey, no. Yes. Along with the 2 Live crew. Y'all, it's raining outside, but we decided to get the car washed. Yeah. Like I always said, it was so nasty because we ain't been nowhere in what? A couple weeks, Mattie? We out of here. Bye. It's okay to have one every now and then. What you say? Yes. I can go ahead and get my check.
Relax. Are we all one ticket or separate?
One.
I'll go ahead and grab that box and I'll take it right here, okay?
All right, thank you. That's what happened. Hey. Got a bunch of them. just want a little something. This must be where I got my wreath from, because I swear that looks like it over there. Today's the first day of fall. I thought this little basket would be great to sit on the table. Mattie just found her a comforter set. She's gonna, I don't know, it's winter time or fall time, but she's getting ready to go ahead and set up some white all over her room, which, hey, whatever, that's her. I want these. Don't you want these?
Now?
Mm-hmm.
For the big one?
Mm-hmm. Let's go to the hotel. Mm-hmm. For your room?
I guess I guess I have a little bit of black.
That's pretty.
I wish it was black though.
They're gonna help us. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get someone to help me get these out of? I'm gonna buy these too. Oh, these 2 chairs. Yeah, I'm getting those too. Oh, okay. I think that's all we're getting, so we're ready to check out. Great. Okay, thanks. All that money she had. She wanna try to go to the fair. All you going to the fair for is you're gonna be looking and eating. And one ride. I hope it works for you. Or you not, you just go get like a thin, lacy looking thing to hang under it, and it'll be just draped underneath that. That would be pretty.
But you know my bed is so big, it just,
yeah.
I can't really put anything.
Y'all, we messed up again. Why do we do this? Mattie,
She added on the 2 chairs.
listen to this child.
She added on the
Y'all
2
listen
chairs.
to your niece.
I'm buying
Listen,
this
she's
stuff.
not, she's,
She added on them chairs.
I wanted those chairs. We needed the chairs. We've been trying to get the beauty room together, and we finally got them. We're getting ready to get them right there. Yes, I hope they match too. If they don't, I'm gonna cry, but hey, it's all good. And hopefully we don't get makeup all over them. But we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, beautiful babes, look what we got. We finally got us some new chairs to go in the beauty room right here, and they actually match the wall. Well, sort of, kind of. There's the walls, there's the chairs. So close enough. We happy. I can get rid of my old clunker chair. She can get rid of her old hard ass chair. Yay! Well, you know, I just wanted to bring a little bit of, I don't know, the fall season to the living room. Maybe I'll put my little pumpkins up here. Maybe one right here. I don't know. I'm just contemplating. There's really nowhere to put anything in here. Nowhere. Nowhere specifically, except for up here. All of my trophies and stuff are there. So let's see. Let me look at it and map it out. I'll let you know. All right, y'all, I just put the little pumpkins right here on the edge of the fireplace mantle. There's 2 over here. And then I put 2 over here. So that's it, right beside the television. Excuse the light there. But there they are over there. And then I put this little pumpkin right here. So now we're looking a little bit fallish, you know, not too much, but just a little bit. So that's cute. And then, I know everybody probably has one of these tables where you just drop everything off, but this is our dining room / kitchen table, and this is where we put a little snacks and treats set in the blessed basket right here. So we're all set. And that's it, y'all. All right, beautiful babies, well, I'm out. I just wanted to share a few little pieces, snippets of today. So we got out a little bit, had a little fun, and we are back at the house. And girl, I got to get to work because, oh my gosh, I got so much to do. Always so much to do. But y'all, I want you to stay blessed, and I certainly will be back with y'all hanging out, getting you some more stuff together right now, as a matter of fact. So excuse the mess behind me. Like I said, we just came from a couple of stores. And had a good day with my girl, my best friend, my little mini-me. That's Mattie. And y'all, Mikey D is outside. Right now, he's trying to pamper the backyard for his party this weekend. So y'all be sweet. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share your girl with your world. And I will see you on the next one.